Good morning, Steve Reed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. We have kind of a mixed trade. Started out a little easier. Now we've got beans up 2 cents, corn up 2, and wheat up anywhere from 4 to 6 cents. Outside market stocks were lower. We're now trying to come back a little bit. It seems like there's a lot of talk about liquidating treasuries, buying gold could continue to offer a negative bias to the equity markets. Dollar's a little bit lower, crude's higher at $85. Seems like we're putting some kind of risk premium in the crude oil with Israel attacking Iran commanders in Syria. We also noted that overnight the U.S. government decided to halt buying strategic reserves. So trying to look at commodities globally, it seems like gold and energy is offering some support to the grains under the marketplace. Yesterday we saw a pretty good sell-off in beans, meal, corn, and wheat, taking some weather premium out of the marketplace with showers forecasted for the U.S. Midwest, and then open planting weather after April 15th. No real weather concerns in South America, and the concerns that we have in flooding in Western Europe, dryness in Eastern Europe and Black Sea doesn't seem to be making any headlines, or certainly not causing the AI managed funds to liquidate their large short positions. Soybean oil has seen some short covering by these funds with higher world veg oil demand for energy, and also some concern about some of the Asian supply, and maybe some rebuilding of reserves by both India and China. China continues to be an important factor in U.S. soybean prices, with them taking less soybeans, seeing lower protein demand as their aging population, their economy is forcing lower hog numbers and a just kind of like a different diet, and that could impact global protein demand. And this is at a time in which you've got Argentina coming back with a good supply of beans, which could also weigh on meal. Soybean oil on the futures market as percent of market crush market share is up to a 6-month high. We are going to approach soon the USDA supply and demand report. I think a lot of people are expecting carryouts to remain unchanged. In the corn, you can see domestic demand up, and we'll see if they want to move exports down. In the soybeans, equal amount of higher crush and lower exports, and not a lot of change in the wheat. We'll see if they want to change world stocks. But right now, Russian and European stocks are higher than their estimates. So choppy trade. We took out support yesterday at 11.75 in the May. We're back above that price. Corn took out support at 4.30. Right now we're at 4.28, and wheat is back to 5.50 on the May. But we see continued widening spreads in May, July wheat.